So to make this simple recipe, we have here some purple cabbage, some carrots, vinegar, and sugar. So first we're going to start off by grating the carrot. To ensure that you either use this side of the grater or you can use this side. So next we're going to cut a half of the purple cabbage. You could use the grater to grate the cabbage, but I'm just going to shred it here using the knife. So when you're using this method, you want to ensure that you cut it very thin, because you don't want the chunk them too big, guys. Okay, so we have our cabbage shredded and we have the carrots, so we're just going to put it in here. Looking lovely, guys. Afterwards, we're going to blend everything. Look at that color. Nice combination, purple and orange. Okay, so we're going to add the vinegar, just a little bit. We're going to add some sugar, distribute it evenly. could go ahead and add some seasoning if you'd like. I'm going to add some black pepper. Not a lot though, guys, just a little bit, about a 1/4 teaspoon or less. Then I'm going to add some mayo. It, your coleslaw. So we're just going to place in the refrigerator. One thing I like to do, guys, when I'm making like pasta or like coleslaw, I like to just grate some onion in, just to give it that extra taste. And this is our lovely coleslaw, Jamaican style. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, you might want to check these out.